Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. What if one single prompt could build your entire business plan, marketing and growth strategy all in one? So let's do it with Claude AI. Instead of asking multiple questions, you can give Claude one powerful prompt and it will generate everything step by step. So paste this single prompt inside Claude. Act as a business expert, give me a complete step-by-step plan to start and grow a type of business that you want with low investment. Include profitable business idea, explanation, target audience, services or products to offer, pricing strategy, marketing plan to get clients, branding such as name, positioning and brand story, content strategy for social media, and finally, ways to scale and increase profits. Make it simple, practical, and beginner friendly. And that's it. Claude will generate a full business idea, a clear plan, marketing strategy, branding, growth roadmap, all in one response. Now you can improve it further. Just say, make this more specific for my situation, or simplify this plan, and Claude will refine everything instantly. Now your job is simple. Follow the plan, take action, and stay consistent. And that's how you use Claude AI with one powerful prompt to build your entire business. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.